And basically what had happened was the tree was dislodged down by the Lander treatment plant, moved its way downstream, was lodged right up against the tree that's existing in the river. And so what it did was it backed water up, and the water channeled down the green belt and ended up down on East 46th Street. At this point, we're going to leave things as they are. We're not that concerned about a minor increase in flow down the Boise River. I think if the flows increase past 10,000, we'll start getting a little more concerned about it. But just because we're not concerned doesn't mean you shouldn't prepare for what may be inevitable based on weather and snowpack in the mountains. So 47th, this was the aftermath of what happened on 46th. The next day the tree had moved down about 1 block down the channel. And at that point it started pushing water over 47th Street. And we can go down to 48th and see the result of that water. There was a huge sandbagging effort, as you can see back through here along this private property.